From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the NASDAQ 100. During my analysis of the NASDAQ 100 on Tuesday, the first thing I noticed is that we are bouncing around an area that has been important more than once. The 19,500 level has been both support and resistance. And now that we are in this region, it suggests that we have a big decision to regard. Ultimately, this is a market that if we can bounce from here, it's likely that we could go look into the 20,000 level. The 20,000 level, of course, is an area that a lot of people will pay attention to, as it is a large, round, psychologically significant figure, and therefore it's good for headlines. If we break the 20,000 level, then I don't know that there's a whole lot to keep us from going to the highs again. A pullback from here, more likely than not, reaches towards the 50-day EMA, which sits right around the 19,300 level. Keep in mind that the NASDAQ 100 is highly sensitive to interest rates, and people are banking on the Federal Reserve collapsing and cutting rates quite rapidly. The question, of course, is, can they do it without increasing inflation? Because quite frankly, inflation in America is still the biggest issue. It will be a very nuanced fight, but right now it looks like traders are trying to pick up the NASDAQ 100, and I would be much more comfortable getting long in this market than trying to sell it, because quite frankly, there are far too many things out there that tend to influence this market higher. It's just the natural sort of things that we see where people just dollar cost average in. I think that's kind of the feeling here.